Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel JD Cars and Bikes for getting and better for used cars. Like this, all you need to do is subscribe my channel and get the notification bell icon on. So in past few days I haven't uploaded any cars video because it's a December month and not any car came to for resale or anything else. So the purchasing also not done in this month. So I haven't uploaded in the past few days, but today this car has came. It's a Maruti Suzuki Baleno and it's a 2004 model. It's a single owner used vehicle. FC and the insurance has been running in this car. So as you can see, it's really very maintained and in very good condition. And you get a 5 alloy wheels with the 80% life on these tires. And this tire size comes with 185/70 R13, which is all 5 mag wheels are of 13 inches. So it's a gold, light gold color. So it's a LXI variant petrol vehicle. At the back we get a Baleno and the LXI written over there and a Maruti Suzuki emblem. So very neat and very cleanly maintained. Only the dent and the part need to be repaint or the tinkering over here. So this has got some little damage. Except this, there is no damages on this car. And the engine and the chassis, everything is very good in condition. I'll show you the Stepney tire too. So the size of a boot space we get in this car, it's really good and massive. So it's a Stepney. Sorry for telling that it's having a 5 mag wheels. It's just a Stepney. So coming onto the rear door pad, we get a lock and unlock lever with the power window switches and the grab handle. We don't get any storage space over here. And at the rear seat we get a armrest over here at the middle of this seat, and 3 persons can easily come in this at the rear side. So this is a condition of this car from the interior. So moving on to the engine room now. So it's a 1.5 liter inline 4-cylinder 16 valve Smart-I torque system engine. So it's a petrol vehicle. Comes with a petrol vehicle and it's a little more powerful comparing to the Honda City, which is 1.3 liter. And moving on to the inside now. At the rooftop we get a reading light over here. We don't get any reading light over here because it's a massive reading light over here at the middle of this rooftop. And we get a 2 sunshade without any mirror for the co-driver and the driver side door. Coming onto the dashboard, we get a 4 AC vents. The 4 AC vents and this space of a dashboard we get in this car. And the center console we don't get any radio or infotainment system because the owner have been plug it out. So we need to install the new one. So there are AC controllers over here and a cigarette lighter, and this is a coin holder. and there is some cup holder space over here, and this is a 5-speed manual gear lever, comes with a front wheel drive system, and there's a storage space over here too, the small storage space which you can keep a charger or anything else. And this is a handbrake. Coming on to the speedometer now, and here you get a fuel gauge and the temperature gauge and the speedometer and the RPM meter. This car has covered around 1,45,590 kilometers till now, but no meter tampering done in this. And here there are controllers for the wipers, and here there are a controller for the headlights. And this car has electronic side view mirror adjustment with the working these two both the side view mirror adjustment are been working in this car. And there's a four switches over here. This is for the controlling all the power window from the driver side door, and you get a lock and unlock lever which I haven't shown you, and you get again you get some storage space over here with the speaker over there. So that's it. If you like the video, then please do hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do not forget to comment below the price and the details of this car, and address I have been mentioned in the description box below. Go and check it out once. It will be very easy for you all to reach here. Till then, thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.